Before nag-try tayo lagyan siya ng ice pellets lang. Yan yung after 24 hours yellow lang yan walang tubig. Pero this time, subukan natin yung cold water kung ma-maintain niya pa rin yung cold temperature. Kukunan natin siya ng initial temperature, which is yun yung magiging basis natin kung talagang tatagal siya ng 24 hours. So ang initial temperature natin is 0.2 degrees Celsius. 8:33 AM tayo mag-start. Check natin every 2 hours.
After 2 hours, the temperature is still 0.2 degrees Celsius. After 4 hours, the temperature is 0.3 degrees Celsius, which is still good. After 6 hours, the temperature is 0.3 degrees Celsius.